Our world is beautiful, but some places on Earth are so dangerous that one wrong step can cost you your life. Today, I will take you through the top 10 most dangerous places in the world, where going is like playing with death. Number 1. Death Valley, USA. In California, USA, there is a desert known as Death Valley. It is one of the hottest places on Earth. In summer, temperatures can reach up to 56 degrees Celsius. Water is almost impossible to find here, and if someone gets stuck alone, survival becomes extremely difficult. Number 2. Snake Island, Brazil. Near Brazil lies a small island where humans are strictly not allowed. This island is called Snake Island. It is home to some of the world's most venomous snakes. According to scientific reports, every few steps you take, you may encounter a deadly snake. Number 3. Lake Natron, Tanzania. In Tanzania, Africa, there is a very unusual lake. The water here is extremely salty and alkaline. Any animal that falls into this lake cannot survive. The chemicals in the water can harden a body, making it look like stone. Number 4. Chernobyl, Ukraine. This place witnessed one of the most catastrophic nuclear disasters in history. In 1986, a nuclear reactor exploded in Chernobyl. Even today, dangerous levels of radiation remain, which is why the entire city had to be abandoned. Number 5. Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. In Turkmenistan, there is a huge burning crater that has been on fire for almost 50 years. People call it the Door to Hell. It is actually a natural gas crater that never stopped burning. Before we move to the most dangerous places on our list, this is the end of part 1. The remaining locations are even more deadly, shocking, and unbelievable. Make sure you watch part 2, it will completely change the way you look at our world. The link to part 2 is in the description and pinned comment. See you there. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.